Okay, so passive income for Phalanx. In this, we need to receive 10 signal intelligence payments and open 3 safes in the same deployment. So the simplest thing we can do here is find ourselves these signal intelligence missions and do them as fast as possible when the game begins. Obviously, these are usually in the high danger areas, and we should have a vehicle with us so we can travel between these points, activating missions as needed. Okay, so we'll start this mission here, or hack it rather, and we'll hack as many as possible. Okay, so now we've finished one of them. We've received a payment. There we go. There's 2 payments. Sweet. So we'll mark one and head straight forward as soon as we pick up something. So there's another one. And finally, a third one. Cool. So now what we need to do is wait for these payments to complete. So we're receiving 20 payments over time, which is exactly what we needed for this mission. Now all that's left to do is to open up safes, and the easiest way to do so is by completing a destroy supplies mission. That way it'll point out everything to us. Unfortunately, that mission didn't go to plan. Let's try it again. And as well, they seem to do a destroy supplies mission, so we'll probably find a few safes around the place. That's great. Let's hope we can do all of them. There's 1, 2 that I see here, and a third one all the way over there on the east. Awesome, we should be able to do this. We'll start getting our way into the safe here. Okay, so we're drilling into a safe here. We can hopefully do that one there and that one there as well before the time runs out. There we go. So I've baited them into helping me out with this mission. We've now received 6 payments, but I have reached the max amount of money, so I hopefully can get more payments, or at least it'll count, but I'm not entirely sure. What we do need for sure, though, is a self-revive that we can at least buy. Cool. It seems like we're still getting payments, which is great. Cool. There we go. This man opened a second one. Now I'll open a third one, and that should be it. At least passive income will be done as soon as we receive the rest of the cash from this mission. So we'll start it here. Cool. There we go. Passive income is now complete. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.